Hello everyone, today we are going to explore one of the coolest features in GoHighLevel, and that is Chatbot. Now Chatbot is like a digital assistant that lives on your website or that lives on your funnels and talks to your visitor automatically. It can answer the queries, it can collect contact information and even book an appointment for you. This means no more missed opportunities because your chatbot will handle the first touch and you can focus on closing the deals. Who wouldn't want that, right? Now to add the chatbot to your website or to your funnels, you will go to Sites, then go to Funnels. And here you can see the funnel that we created in one of our previous videos. Right now you can see there is no chatbot in this funnel, right? Now to add the chatbot, you will go to the chat widget. Now click on New button. Now here we have three options. The first one is SMS or email chat, which you can use if you have a small team who isn't staffed 24/7. Then this chatbot can help you to follow up the leads or to collect contact information through SMS or through emails. But if you have a large team that is available 24/7, then you can use live chat for the real-time two-way communication within the chat widget. And if you have a WhatsApp number, then you can use the WhatsApp chatbot where you can get leads information and can respond to them whenever you are available. Now to add the chatbot to the funnel or to the website, we will select SMS or email chat. Then you can name it, let's say, floor inspection chatbot. Then you will select chat window option. Right now this chatbot is just asking for the name and the phone number, but it's not asking for the lead's email, which is really important to follow up the lead or to follow up the opportunity. So we will move to title and intro. And then here you will enable the email field. Now you can see the chatbot will ask for the name, for the phone number, for the email, which you can use to follow up with the leads or with your clients. And now we will hit save button. Now we will go back to chat widget and then we will move to funnels and then click on edit. Next we will move to settings and here you can see there is a chat widget option, right? Now you will select the chat widget that you want to add for this specific funnel. Next hit save button. Now if you will preview this funnel, then you can see the chatbot at the bottom of the funnel, right? And if I click here, then you can see that your chatbot will collect the lead's name, lead's phone number, lead's email, and their concerns or queries that will go directly into GoHighLevel. So now you know how to create the chatbot and how to embed the chatbot in your funnels or in your websites. I hope this video will be helpful for you, but if you find any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.